Look at stock ticker symbol CEGX, currently traded at 0013. Last time that we took a look at the stock, it was going to be on March 10th. Put us right here. 0010. We'll need buying pressure to break 0015 to turn sharp bullish. Resistance at 0010, 12, and 15. Support at 0007 is a must hold for all you guys watching this one. Really, really nice move off of that from when we looked at it. You guys got up and did break that 15 that I told you to watch for. Got above that 30-day simple moving average. Right now is at 0013. You guys are sitting right on it right now. Watch this one. I'm not saying that it's ready to go right this second. It just, I mean, it's been beaten down, not terribly, not terrible, but it's been beaten down here a little bit. But things are starting to turn around. It's starting to level out, and the buying pressure is starting to return, which you can see down here with the volume bars. But the most important thing here is that this stock is now above the 30-day simple moving average. It hasn't been above that since January 31st, and more so early January. But it just had a few pops. But look at what happened when it stayed above it. Stayed above it. You guys went from the 0053 all the way up to the 1 cent, so 100% gain off of that. It was really, really setting up here the last few days, but then it pulled back down. I'm still going to watch this one. That 30-day simple moving average is going to be a must hold for this thing to remain setting up. I think that the chart's setting up for CEGX. Now I'll hand it over to Joe. See if he can fill us in on anything.
Well, I don't really have much to fill you in on. There's a skull and crossbones over here with pink no information, so I'm not really seeing much. Let's see. Last thing I'm seeing is a 8K from January 30th, 2017. I'll pull it up really quick. See what it is. This is it. Yeah, we went over this one a few times. It's the one where the on January 24th, the company entered into a settlement agreement and stipulation with Rockwell Capital Partners. Pursuant to the agreement, Rockwell acquired outstanding liabilities of the company in the principal amount of $158,419.46. After the execution of the agreement, the company and Rockwell submitted, pursuant to Section 3 of the 3A10 of the Securities Act of 1933, the terms and the conditions of the agreement to the court for a hearing on fairness of such terms and conditions, including the exemption of the registration related to the issuance of the settlement shares to Rockwell as defined. On January 25th, the Circuit Court of the 12th Judicial Circuit of Florida entered an order, finding that the agreement is approved as fair to Rockwell with the meaning of sections and the sale to the shares of Rockwell. That's pretty much that. So that's pretty much the only thing that I'm seeing since then. Let's see. From January 6th through 2017 through January 26th, 2017, the company issued to Rockwell 251,008,000 shares of its common stock. The issuance of these shares were exempt from the registration requirements of Section 5 of the Act, pursuant to Section 3. Thereto, in accordance to the court orders in favor of Rockwell, as appointed, the Form K8 filed on December 19th, 2016, and as herein. All right, so that's pretty much that. So we haven't heard from the company since this, but I mean, I guess time will tell. If you have an opinion on a company, just go right over to that CEGX board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, with the chart 0013 chart is setting up here, in my opinion. Must hold though. Remember that. So if you're watching this, oh, you said the chart's setting up. It is setting up as long as it holds the 30-day simple moving average. And remember, this 30-day simple moving average could move down to 12 tomorrow. Okay, so it really depends if that moves down to 12. Yes, it needs to hold that, but it's got to stay above there, especially the 20-day. I like the way that it's setting up. Let's wait for the buying pressure. I'm actually going to continue to track this one a little bit closer here. I do like the way that this thing has been setting up. So CEGX, make sure you keep us updated with this one. Leave a comment below if it starts creeping up on us. We want to cover it a little bit more. CEGX, if you follow this one, hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.